Pitharay promise batu Livingstone. Kila ban kelat ya kan ni?
Kata kasih ngaki kan. Saya am beliau. Bagi beliau ndola temian kilong biang kelung. Kini baru armut laki samla biang.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
आने वाले कह रहे हैं कि वोट नहीं है तुम्हारा ऐसे कह रहा कि 10 लोग हैं यहाँ पे तुम कह रहे 14 लोग हैं यहाँ पे तमाशा है क्या ये? तो फिर उसकी खबर फिर अच्छे से लेंगे हम। ये जहांगीर के घर वाले भी खड़े हैं, उसको बता देना कायदे से।
Ka Election Commission of India, Phah, da IPS officer basatar bha, South 24, Parganas, West Bengal. Bon pen ba ka jingtha vote kadai ban ya be yaranti, lani kum uta o police observer. IPS ba ka Election Commission, Phah, udai Ajay Pal Sharma. Udairu uba jutip kum Singham, jong ka Uttar Pradesh. But udairu uba jubna nam kum encounter specialist. Lapha South 24 Parganas kabadai ka ketem jong unnoyalam bhakhaman jong Trinamool Congress Abhishek Banerjee Ajay Pal Sharma udai IPS officer balabna nam bha India udai naka kunhun IPS jong usnem 8000 khatwei Lapha Ajay Pal Sharma South 24 Parganas kadai hadien ba unnoyalam ka TMC bajudan Hasanda baru Abhishek Banerjee kata Jehangir Khan ula berngam lut yakipulit kiba pha syakate ke jaka Kala sapriang ka video ha social media. Ya ka bau Ajay Pal Sharma, Ukran Shai ba kinu ki batmu ban thau jingkulmar un khruwit da ka bating e. Ula leit ban yakundu ru ya ki bahayang asam jong Jehangir Khan, ba ki dei ban kran lepa yu ba dei ban tamput. Kani ka jing yakundu jong Singham ya ki bahayang asam jong Jehangir. Kadai hadian bala yo jingtip ba ula leit berngam beriu keleng. Singham ula ong ba ki dei ban kran lepa yu yo ki babi kala hadian. Ka TMC kala penram ya ka sarkar BJP baka Phah Singham sha West Bengal bat kila ongru ba ka de ka jingthmu ban penting pensmien ka TMC kala bitar bat keno ru ba new IPS officer udeu bla rung manla ki thliu yeng jong kinongelam ka TMC kala kop ru da ka ba ong ba haban husiar namar ba ka West Bengal kamde satya ka Uttar Pradesh
एक महीना हो गया कि नहीं?
नहीं सर मेरा तो बात यहाँ तो नहीं है ना सर
आपका घर कहीं हो, आप एफएसटी तो यही एरिया ना?
ये तो यही कर रहे हो ना तो आपको एरिया तो
एफएसटी का यही एरिया ना? ये जहांगीर खान का घर कौन सा है? उसके अंदर शर्म आनी तुम लोग शर्म मैं बता रहा हूँ हल्के में ले रहे हो ना केसेस सबके का रजिस्टर होंगे जाएंगे सीबीआई को इन्वेस्टिगेशन दौड़ते रहना थोड़ा जल्दी आसपास के जितने भी लोग हैं अच्छी तरह से समझ लें कि अगर किसी ने बदमाशी करी तो उनका कायदे से इलाज किया जाएगा। फिर अगर कहीं से खबर आ गई कि किसी ने कोई खुराफात करने की किसी को परेशान करने की कोशिश की है तो फिर उसकी खबर फिर अच्छे से लेंगे हम। ये जहांगीर के घर वाले भी खड़े हैं, उसको बता देना कायदे से। ये बार बार जो खबरें आ रही हैं कि उसके लोग धमका रहे हैं तो फिर अच्छे से खबर लेंगे, फिर बाद में रोना पछताना मत।
Sharma, brought in by the Election Commission as the police observer of Diamond Harbour. He is known as an encounter specialist and he is the same man who along with CRPF forces is barging into people's houses in the middle of the night, terrorizing the people of Diamond Harbour, and in the name of searching he is assaulting women along with CRPF forces. But this Ajay Pal Sharma is also a very colorful character, because this Ajay Pal Sharma was also the center of two investigations. One is a corruption investigation, the second is a criminal breach of trust. Let me show you an article from March 2020 by Times of India, where it clearly says that this Ajaypal Sharma was in the center of a cash for posting scam, where he used to collect money from other officers in return of plum postings. And he was subsequently transferred from there. The second investigation where he was the center of attention is where a woman complained to the then DIG that Ajaypal Sharma married him in Ghaziabad but had illicit affairs with other women, and when this particular woman was about to complain to the DIG, he framed that woman with criminal conspiracy and blackmail. So this is this so-called Ajaypal Sharma, the encounter specialist, who's been brought in by the Election Commission as the police observer of Diamond Harbour to threaten people, to do illegal searches, to do illegal activities, anti-constitutional acts, and to terrorize women of Diamond Harbour. Let me say this very clearly to Mr. Ajaypal Sharma. You can come from a different state. You can have political patronage. But if you think by doing these illegal activities, these illegal raids, terrorizing people, harming the modesty of a woman, conducting illegal raids, doing anti-constitutional acts, that after 4th of May, you will go back to your state and you will be saved by your political masters. Let me say this in no uncertain terms. We will find you. We will file an FIR against you. There will be a charge sheet filed against you. And we will drag you to the court of law, where the strongest arm of the law will fall upon you.
Ang ni kusek ajku, ang ni ajek ungani ko mesoka.
Ang habagak tin ke im kejai benriu ke im.
Kaladon kata kami kalian language act na do usnam arajasan. Kuman penhisya no kan. Bah men hakani ka country story jong benaya yong ke bomot no tau April araja April. Na ke jing pen bena officially ba la shim ya kaktin kasi ke jongi bat kom juru kita ki garu wat kaktin garu la shim ya ka kom kata ka official language.
Ngasngu burung. Ya kan ke kasi atau society. Batru kumju ya ka achik literary society. Kiba submit ya ka memorandum sha ke government. Department linga court meeting mana. Haka bengi syong di study na duka law department, na duka arts culture, na ki department, kiba per ngia discuss. Naong tongin po ngin recommend sa cabinet, ba ngin repeal no ya katuga act kabarin, bat ngin warna no daka ni kaway kabat mahal, daka bengi ong Meghalaya Languages Act. Mdeshu Meghalaya Language Act.
This will ensure administrative inclusivity and language preservation. It will also ensure that communication is more efficient in government offices and other institutions.
Kan dia direktur nama baca kunci saya nama dia belum yang punya apa, aku interview yang baca kunci nama dia, belum cara dia nak tak cakap yang lain.
Nilai kuat syabak kaktin jungi kan yo no ke jing itu bopura. Par kantam kan rung ha ka kernet ke bopura. Ndre kalong pada umau jam beningkong menta ban syong no ba chief minister jungi ula kubur ban ong ban kaktin kasi bat kaktin karo kan long no kata kaktin bopura jong jela